Welcome to the homework for next week. If you click on Sunday, the September 5th to-do list, this is what you'll see. Okay, you've already seen this link, so you're prepared for that part. Awesome. The first thing I want you to do is to look on page 18 or 19 of your notebook. If they're blank, perfect. If they're not, move on to the next pages. The pages aren't that important. Okay, pause. The next thing I want you to do is to open up the link, and there's a chart, and you're going to create this chart in your notebook. When you open the link, this is what you will see. So you'll need a box that says Step 1, Gather. You don't have to write all the directions, but you can read them. It says to include the page number. Here's an example. So you're going to document your notes from this article by Steve Graham. Okay, and you're going to look for here's an example. Teachers need to devote time to writing instruction using effective practices. What you're going to do is, what are evidence-based practices, and put them below in additional lines. When you watch the video, Teacher as Writer, you're going to document specific examples that were used as evidence-based practice from the article. An example is, the teacher in the video takes time to model her process of writing about tortillas and potatoes. She explains how to come up with an idea and how to organize the ideas to lead to writing. These are examples of evidence-based practices. So that article will be here, and the video will be below. You also will be assigning a chapter to read out of the textbook, The Writing Teacher's Companion. We'll do that in class. And you'll have one chapter to read. Jot down notes, probably on page 20, and then you'll be teaching each other. Okay, this is where you're going to submit your notes and take photos of your pages, basically 18, 19, and 20. And then other homework, cut apart any handouts that I've given. Start looking for a read aloud book. And in class, bring your laptop or some type of electronic device, scissors, and glue or tape. All right, I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.